Today we're out here filling in the potholes. As you can see, it's nice and clear and sunny, which is the most effective and best time to do the potholes. It makes it kind of hard to do in the rain and the snow, but we have a chance. We're always out here trying to fill in these potholes. This is cold mulch. It is not a permanent fix, but we do have more permanent fix coming, but that takes good weather. When we get the pothole machine out and have a little bit better, more efficient fix for these potholes, we won't have to worry about them for too much longer. If we can, when we're out here, you guys see us out here doing these potholes, to slow down and just be courteous to our space and the lack of. Take time to check your surroundings and see, look up in front of you and make sure that you slow down if you see any flashing lights on the side of the road. Because if you slow down, most likely the person behind you will slow down. It's nice to always see the residents take the time to slow down for us. We appreciate it.